Alright, so last video I stopped at Constituyentes, and I figured I'd start this one on Constituyentes and head out to the little pier here and show you the beach conditions real quick. You can see it's pretty cloudy. Rained pretty hard early in the morning, about 2-3 o'clock. But other than little rain we had last night, it's been fairly nice out here. Water's been super calm. That's Panama Jacks. We're on Constituyentes and we're facing south. The pier there is where you catch the ferry to go to Cozumel. And this is the Hilton, looking north. That watercolor today is gorgeous. See a couple paddleboarders out there. Further down is the Hyatt. Looks like their beach is pretty much eaten away. The Hilton has some beach left. So we'll take a walk on 5th Avenue and just walk a little bit today. Hopefully it doesn't start raining on us. Doesn't look like it though. Two more. Stayed at both of these, the Hilton and Panama Jacks. Very nice all-inclusives. I stopped staying at all-inclusives because I like to try different restaurants, local restaurants around town. So I pretty much stay in Central, and that gives me access to pretty much 30th Avenue and 5th Avenue. And of course there's more on the other side of the highway. Much cheaper options, more authentic, I believe. But if it's your first time in Mexico, one of these all-inclusives is not a bad idea. And just go out and explore 5th Avenue, at your convenience. But then you have the option of just staying in and doing their buffets here. some of my friends always ask me about eating food like off a street cart is dangerous, and I think there's a little bit of risk to everything. A buddy of mine is staying at the Hyatt, and he came down with like a stomach virus or something, so he's been locked away 2 days. So there's the risk. A high end could you know, give you undesirable effects, same as street cart tacos on 30th Avenue. Just how much risk you're willing to take, I guess. It is 10 after 9.
Still nice or have
And we are on Constituyentes and 5th Avenue. Upstairs there is a Bar Loco,
so they open outlet.
known for their cheap drinks.
Digo, what you looking for? I got it.
No, pero Raúl también me habla por teléfono.
One of the reasons I like walking in the early morning is not as many hawkers out here. A little quieter, less people.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, if you're ever looking for anything, yeah.
Then your frogs.
Gotta go.
That's the store, so there's no restaurant or anything there, I don't believe.
Hey, amigo, let's do the haka.
McCarthy's here is, I believe, the only Irish pub that's on 5th Avenue. This is an Argentinian restaurant, I believe. A lot of good reviews here. I haven't tried it yet, but one of these days I'll get up this way and give it a try. They sell these all over the place, but asking way too much on the Fifth Avenue when you can buy them on Amazon for a couple dollars. Restaurant on my right is called La Vagabunda, and pretty good breakfast. I've had eaten here a few times. They're also open late, and typically they have a band or a solo guitarist or something playing during the night on the weekends, I believe. We're near 30th Avenue. I mean 30th Street. Left is Toscani Grill. I've eaten here a few times. Very, it's a generic Italian food is basically what I would describe it as. If you're wanting very authentic Italian food, there's one of my favorites, and a favorite of a lot of locals here is, let me see if I can pronounce the name correctly. It's called Osteria de Roma, which is on 6th Street between 20 and 25th. And I live right next door to it, so very convenient for me. I've eaten there multiple times. Always excellent food. I believe the cook is from Rome. His wife is from Milan. And I believe it's about as authentic as we can get. Real fresh ingredients. I think we might end it here. Because it looks like the storm is moving in a little bit. I just don't want to get caught out in the rain. Sonora Grill here. I've never eaten at this one. Hola. Just walked down to 10th Avenue. I want to see what street this is. Gotta be like 32 or 34, something like that. So we're on 30th. So 30th and 10th Avenue, there's a public park, and it's all free. I see a lot of, there's a big gigantic running track there also. I believe there's a soccer field and some little exercise stations. And again, it's all free, it's outdoors. I think I'll end it here, just to keep the video not too long. So, hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching.